Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NCERT Mathematics Learning Hub. In this video, I am going to discuss with you how to find the unknown variable if the points are given, and also we are going to discuss how to find the relation between the x and y value if the 2 points are given which are equidistant from the previous point. Okay, this is the 9th question of exercise 7.1. The question says if Q is equidistant from P and R, find the value of x. Also find the distances Q1, QR and PR. So I have just drawn a line here. I have marked the point P and R. I have written the coordinates of P and R as well. These 2 points are equidistant from the point Q. What is the coordinate of point Q? It is 0, 1, right? So it is -3 here. So let me just mention that. Yes. So what we will do now? We need to find the value of x, and they have clearly given all the data to you. So if the 2 points are equidistant, can I equate these 2 distances so that I'll get the value of x? In the previous video, I have just dealt with this kind of problem, right? You can please watch the previous video as well for the better understanding, right? So let me just find the distance between these two. Let me just equate it directly. If I am talking about the distance PQ, because these 2 distances are equal, PQ is also equal to RQ, right? So let me just draw the 2 lines for better understanding. So P and Q, what are the coordinates for P? 5, -3, and Q is having the coordinate 0, 1. Then we have Q and R, or R and Q. So if it is R here, then it is x, 6. And what about here? It is Q, so it is nothing but 0, 1. These 2 distances are equal. We have the distance formula as well. So what is the distance formula? It is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, right? So this is the distance formula. So let it be x1 y1, let it be x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, so coming back to the point, the line, the distance between P and Q, right? So it is the square root of x2 is nothing but 0, 0 minus 5, right? Whole square plus, we have here then 1. So 1 minus, here there is, this is formula minus, right? Now this 1 minus is for the coordinate -3. So whenever you are having the 2 minus sign, you will write in bracket. You will add one more bracket, right? So you will be getting like this. This is the distance between P and Q. Now it is equal to the distance between R and Q, right? So again I'll put the square root here. x2 is 0. So 0 minus x whole square plus, you have here y2 1, 1 minus 6 whole square, right? So what I'll do here, 0 minus 5 is nothing but -5, and then -5 square is nothing but -5 into -5, which is equals to plus 25, right? So plus 25 plus, here you can observe 1 minus into minus, it will be plus 3 whole square, which is equals to, let me just, minus x square, here it is there, minus x is there. So if you will square it, minus x into minus x, what are you going to get? You are going to get plus x square. So let us write here plus x square plus 1 minus 6. 1 is positive and the other one is negative. So you need to subtract, right? And you need to write the bigger number sign. So -5 whole square. Correct. So what are you going to have then? Here you have 25 plus 1 plus 3, 4. So it is nothing but 4 square, which is equals to x square plus -5 square is nothing but 25, square on both the side here itself. Square on both the side. So if I'm squaring this side, then 25 plus 4 square. 4 square is what? It is nothing but 16. Then I'm squaring it, which is equals to, then we have here x square plus 25, and here also square it. So what are you going to get? This square and this square root get cancelled, this square and this square root get cancelled. So what are you remaining with? You are remaining with 25 plus 16, which is equals to x square plus 25. Both the side you are having 25 and it is having the same sign, right? So it is, if in between there is equal sign and the numbers are having the same sign on the other two sides, then you can just cancel it off. Plus 25 plus 25, it will get cancelled if there is equal sign in between. Then what are you remaining with? X square is equals to 16. I have just shuffled here this x square and I have taken it here. Whenever you are taking everything on the other side, then the sign will not get changed. So it was only one term, so you are just exchanging. When you are exchanging something, sign will not get changed. So x will be equals to square root of 16. What are you having then? X value, x is equals to plus or minus 4. Right? So we have found the value of x. This was our first part to find. Then what they have asked you? They have asked you find the distances between QR and PR. Right? So I am supposed to find out the distance between QR. Right? So QR, if I am talking about, let me just draw that particular part. So QR is anyways here only, right? So what are the coordinates of x you have got? You have got the x coordinate plus and minus 4, right? So it is having the two value. X value is 2 times, right? Because once it is plus and once it is minus. So let us find the distance between these 2 points QR x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Then what are you remaining with? Now if this is your x1 x2, I have already written here. I am talking about RQ, right? So this is RQ. Now you can observe x value is once it is plus 4 and once it is minus 4. So first let us just substitute plus 4 here and 6 is remaining same anyways, right? So let us substitute now. X2, it is nothing but 0 minus 4 whole square plus, then what you have, y2, it is nothing but y minus 6 whole square, right? Then you are having minus 4 whole square, it is nothing but 16. Minus 4 into minus 4 is nothing but 16 plus, here you have 1 minus and 1 plus, so you will be subtracting it and you will be writing the bigger number sign. So it is minus 5 whole square, right? Then you have here 16 plus, here you have minus 5 square. Minus 5 into minus 5 is nothing but plus 25, right? So you need to add these two values. 41 is the answer if you will add these two. Now QR you have found out when the value of x was positive. Now we will find the value of this when the value of x is negative, that is nothing but minus 4 comma 6, right? Now QR, let me write here when x is equals to 4. This answer you have got when x is equals to 4. QR is equals to, again the same formula, I am not going to repeat it. X2, it is nothing but 0 minus, this is formula minus, okay, this is formula minus. Now the coordinate is also negative, so you are going to write that coordinate in the bracket. And whenever the coordinate is having negative value, you are going to write in double bracket here. Plus y2 minus y1, it is nothing but 1 minus 6 whole square. Right, then you are having here 0 minus into minus plus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 6. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. Again you will subtract and write the bigger number sign, that is negative here. 0 plus 4 is what? 4. 4 square is nothing but 16. Plus minus 5 square. Minus 5 into minus 5, how much you are going to get? You are going to get here plus 25. Right? So you got the value. Here also you got 16 plus 25. How much you will get if you will add these two values? You are going to get here also root of 41. Then in the problem they have given it to find PR. PR. Right, so if we are asked to find the value of PR, so this is P, this is R, right? So if you want, you just draw a line here, PR, P and R. So what are the coordinates? 5 comma minus 3, and here you have the coordinate x comma 6. Right, so x comma 6 is there, so we have the value of x, once plus 4 and once minus 4. So let me just substitute plus 4 now. Let it be x1 y1, let it be x2 y2. So x2 is 4 minus 5 whole square plus 6 minus 3. This is formula minus, and this is minus 3 in the coordinate. Right, and you will be writing double bracket. Then you have 4 minus 5. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. You will be subtracting, writing the bigger number sign, that is negative here. Plus 6 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. Square root of minus 1 is nothing but plus 1 itself. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 square is what? You will be having 81. 9 9s are 81. So what is the answer you got? Root of 82. When x is equals to 4. Here you should write when x is equals to minus 4. Right, now let us find the value of PR if x is equals to minus 4. So if x is minus 4, let me just write here minus 4 comma 6 now. So minus 4 minus 5 whole square. Right? Then you have plus in between. Then 6 minus, here x2 is 6, y2 is 6 minus of minus 3. Again you can observe here the coordinate is also negative, so you are writing it like this. Then minus 4 and minus 5, it is nothing but minus 9 whole square. Plus 6 plus 3, what are you going to get? You will be getting here 9, right? 6 minus into minus plus, so it is nothing but 9 square. So how much you are going to get here? Minus 9 square is nothing but 81 plus 81. If you will add these two, you are going to get here 162. Right, so this is the answer you have got when x is equals to minus 4. The value of x you have got plus 4 and minus 4. Because of that, you are finding both the values, once with plus, once with minus. Right? In the same way, you have found the values for PR also, once with plus and once with minus. So this is 10th question of exercise 7.1. The question says, find a relation between x and y. What is x and y? We have the coordinate such that the point, this coordinate, is equidistant from the point this and this. So there are 2 points, these 2 points they have given it, and they have said that these 2 points, between these 2 points there is one more point. Between, why I am saying, because they have said it is equidistant, right? So equidistant is nothing but it is at the midpoint. It is the middle of these 2 points, right? So I have just drawn a line, and then I have written here the 2 points on that. I have just named it as P, and I have just named this point as Q. So the 2 points I have given the name P and Q, and then there is the one more point which is at the middle of these 2 points, so that I have named it as O. And what are the coordinates of these 3? I have written it over here, right? Now we need to find the relation between X and Y, right? So what I am going to do, as this is the middle of the 2 points, I can write the distance between these 2 points is equal to the distance between these 2 points, right? So let me write the distance formula first. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, right? So if I am talking about the distance between P and O, let me draw a line PO first then, right? This is P. What is the coordinate of P? 3, 6. What is the coordinate of O? It has the coordinate x, y. Now let us find the distance between these two. As the distance are equal, so directly let us equate that. Distance PO is equals to distance QO, right? So this was about PO. Now let us write the distance between QO. So if this is Q, this is O. O is having the coordinate x, y. Q is having the coordinate -3, 4. Let it be x1, y1. Let it be x2, y2. x2, y2. And x1, y1. So as these two distances are equal, we will just write the distance formula for PO, then we will write the distance formula for QO, right? With their coordinates, with their own coordinate, right? So x2 is nothing but x here -3 whole square plus y -6 whole square, right? Now if I am coming to the point QO, if I am coming to the distance between QO, then x minus, here the coordinate is also having the negative one sign. So what are you going to write? You are going to write this in bracket plus, then we have here y -4 whole square, right? So again you can observe both the sides, it is having a square root of any expression. So let us just remove that by squaring on both the sides. Square on both the side. So if I am squaring this side, what I am going to get? X -3 whole square plus y -6 whole square. Everything I need to write in bracket, and then I need to square it, right? In the same way here, x minus into minus, it will become plus. X +3 whole square plus y -4 whole square. Again here also you need to eliminate the square root, so you are squaring everything. So square and square root gets cancelled, right? So what are you remaining with? X -3 whole square plus y -6 whole square, which is equals to x +3 whole square plus y -4 whole square, right? So you can observe here, now you are dealing with the two terms with the square thing, right? So everywhere when you're having like this, you can use a plus b whole square formula, or a minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square? It is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. If I am talking about this particular case, then we have in place of a x and we have in place of b 3, right? So let us just substitute now. A square, in place of a, what do you have? X. In place of b, what do you have? You have 3. Don't get confused with this minus and this minus is the formula minus, right? So b, in place of b, here we have only 3. We don't have minus 3. This minus is formula minus. Okay. So let me just substitute here now. A square is nothing but x square plus 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 9. Then plus, not plus, minus, right? Because in the formula we have minus. 2a, a is nothing but x, b is what? 3. So we are done with this part now, x minus 3 whole square part. Now we need to start with this. Now anyways, after y minus 6 whole square, it is written in bracket. So the expansion part also should be in bracket because it has more than one term. If it has more than one term, always you need to write in bracket if any expression has more than one term. So I'll write in square bracket for that. Y minus 6. Now again it is a minus b whole square format. So I'm going to just write here also y minus 6 whole square. So in place of a, what do you have? Y. In place of b, what do you have? 6. Right? So let me just substitute now. Y square plus 6 square. 6 square is nothing but 36 minus 2y, b is what? 6. Let me just close the bracket now. Then it is equals to. It is equals to what? You have to come to this now. X plus 3. Now if it is in a plus b whole square formula, right? So let me just write the formula a plus b whole square. What is the expansion? A square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Now here in this case it is x plus 3. So in place of a, what do you have? We have in place of ax, we have in place of b 3. So let us just try to rewrite it over here. X square plus 3 square is 9 plus 2x 3. 2ab is there, no? So a is x, b is 3. Then we have here also you can observe it is plus. Now for this one also, this expansion you need to write in bigger bracket because if you have more terms. Now y minus 4. Y minus 4 again you have to come back to a minus b formula. Right? So here you have y minus 4. What is the expansion you have? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So a is equals to y here. B is equals to 4. Y square plus 4 square. 4 square is what? 16 plus 2y. B is what? 4. Correct. So now you can see many of the things are there that you can cancel it here itself, right? So if on the other side of the equal, opposite side of the equal, if it is having the same sign, then you can cancel those terms. So x square and x square is getting cancelled, plus 9 and plus 9 is going to get cancelled. Then is there anything else which are supposed to get cancelled? Let us solve it further. We will understand if we have any terms like that. Minus 2 3s are 6. 6x we have now plus y square plus 36 minus 2 6 are 12 y, which is equals to, here we have 2 3s are 6x plus y square plus, what do you have now? 16 plus 2 4s are 8 y. Right, so all these things are there. Now you cannot cancel this. Minus 6 and plus 6 you cannot cancel because it is on the opposite side of the equal and if you are having different sign, then you cannot cancel. If you would have plus 6 this side, then you would have cancelled in that case, right? Now you can observe y square and y square, you can cancel that also, right? So now let me shift everything on this side, on your left side. Minus 6x plus 36, then you have minus 12y, then minus 16 when you are shifting this side, it will become plus 16 when you are shifting this side, it will become minus 16, and minus 8y. Everything you have shifted this side, and there is one more term, that is 6x. If I am shifting it here, it will also become minus 6x is equals to 0. After shifting everything this side, nothing is there, so write it 0. Minus 6 and minus 6, it is nothing but minus 12x. Minus 6x, minus 6x, you will add, both are like terms, so it will become minus 12x. You need to add like terms only. So what are like terms here? 6. If the variables are same, then only it is a like term. So x and x can be added, x can and never be added with a number. Y can never added with the x. Okay. Now if I am talking about the y value now, so minus 12y, and here you have minus 8y, right? So what you will have then? You will be having here minus 20y, right? Minus 12 and minus 8 both are negative, so you should add and you need to write the bigger number sign, minus 20y. Then what are you remaining with? So sorry, here you can observe the formula is so whenever you have a minus b whole square formula, what is the third term contains? It contains negative sign, not the positive sign, right? So this will be negative. So even this will become negative, minus 8y. So minus 8y, when you are shifting this side, it will become plus 8y. So here, what are you going to get then? Here it will be, you have here minus 12y, here you have plus 8y, right? So you are having now minus 4y. In the same way, plus 36 and minus 16 is there, right? So what will you have then? You will be just subtracting these two, and you are going to get here plus 20. Write the bigger number sign is equals to 0. You want to find the relation between x and y. So what are you going to do? You are going to shift better. Here you can observe, in the beginning, whenever you are having the negative number, so you can divide everything with the minus sign. Divide everything with minus sign. Let me just write here. Divide everything with minus. Okay. So if I am dividing this, what I am going to get here? I'll get here minus 12x divided by minus. So what are you going to get here? Minus and into minus, it will become plus. So 12x. So whenever you are dividing anything, you want to divide anything, any equation with a negative number, then the sign will get changed. If it is minus, it will become plus. If it is plus, it will become minus. So this will also become plus, and this will become minus because it was already plus. So I want to find the relation between x and y. So let me keep x this side, and let me move everything on this side, right? So 20 minus 4y, let it be. So x will be equal to what? 20 minus 4y divided by 12. So this is the relation between x and y. So that's it for today's class. In the next video, we will be solving problems related to section formula. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.